guys, good afternoon. Magluto na punta og ginisang talong with crab stick, okay? Or crab stick with talong, okay? So, these are all the ingredients: salt, black pepper, soy sauce, oyster sauce, the crab stick. There's like slice like this, and this one also. Garlic, onions, and then the eggplant. Okay. So, the garlic. And then the onion, stick guys, okay. The crab stick. And then guys, okay. Okay. Guys. And now we're gonna add oil. And then guys, cover until the eggplant will become soft. We're gonna cover it until the eggplant is going to be soft. Our eggplant with crab stick or crab stick with eggplant is done. Okay, so we're gonna add a little salt because it's not salty. Just a little. And then, we're gonna taste. I'm going to taste it. And now we're gonna garnish. I'm gonna off the heat, guys. And garnish it. Okay? Okay, guys. So that's our crab stick with eggplant is done. Look at the crab stick. Oh, okay. Okay guys, so that's our crab stick with eggplant is done. It's super yummy and affordable. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow for another recipe. Bye bye.